We're just about ready to start working on our request index component, but before we do, we need to make sure that we have at least one request tied to our current campaign. So I'm going to use the form that we just made to make one new request and submit it as a transaction. I'm going to go back to the add request page. I'm going to create a request with a description of buy some battery casings. I'm going to request a value in Ether of 1 Ether. And then for the recipient, I'm going to enter in a valid address here. And I'm going to provide an address for my account number 2 that is tied to my account. So here's account number 2. I'll do copy address from clipboard, and then I will mark that person as the recipient. Now before I click create, I am going to make sure that I toggle back over to account number 1. So here's account number 1, and now I can go ahead and click on create. I get my MetaMask notification. It's specifying account number 1, and I'll go ahead and submit it. Okay, so that should be it. Let's take a break right now, and then we'll come back in the next video and start putting together our request index component.